Hello guys, today we are going to put together a nice chair from Article, office chair. So first we are going to open the box. Just be careful anytime you want to open it from the top exactly, the side. Do not scratch the items inside the package. So fortunately most of the brands, they are going to put a piece of the cardboard on top of the package to stop damaging them. If you look at here, you can see a piece of, it's right here. You can see a piece of the cardboard. Okay. So right now, we can see some wheels. We have to take them out first. So this one has some wheels. It's a nice one. These are appropriate for the office and exactly same model without the wheels. They're appropriate for dining tables. They usually use in residential areas. So right now for this one we have some fasteners. If you look at the bag, inside the bag we have 4 Allen screws, 4 washers, and 4 small springs. Okay, so the bottom side is open right now. We are going to take off the foams. They usually use it for stop from damaging or any kind of a scratch for it. Article is one of the best in the market. I believe in it. Okay. So this is the last one. Okay, if you look at here, they're full exactly edge with some holes that we have to use it to secure it to the exactly seating area. But first we have to put the wheels in it. So fortunately there is no screws for it. You just need to put one of them on the hole and push it in. That's it. It's going to stick there forever. And yeah, the last one is ready to go. Okay, the seating area. Okay, let's open it. You can see 4 exactly holes here. We can put the legs. If you look at there are 2 on the top and 2 in the bottom side, the holes. The 2 on the top is a little bit closer to each other, so we can easily detect that which one should go where. So first we are going to put one of the screws with the spring and also one of the washers, and to make the leg secure to the sitting area. Okay, so right now we are going to make the rest of them ready. So it's included in the package an Allen key, but obviously we are going to use a specific drill bit for it. It's so much easier, nicer, and faster. Okay, and the last one. Perfect. Most of the people are going to ask me what's the benefit of these springs, that we are going to put it between the exactly screws and the washer. So when we use the springs, it's going to be long lasting, and when you are going to secure it, the spring going to fit it exactly very well. So if it's going to be a little bit loose after a while, the spring can hold it because it's not exactly flat. It can hold it more. So right now, 4 screws are in. We are going to use the drill bit to secure them to it. And 2 done, 3 done, and the 4th one. Yep. Right now it's ready to go, and you can start using that. Perfect. Okay guys, have a nice day.